Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. This is Palpitit Coffee. This Palpitit Coffee located siya sa Barrio Obrero Street, Davao City. This one. Madali nyo siyang makita, guys. Palpitit Coffee. Muanhi ko dere just because muinom ko sa ilahang coffee. Actually, tanan nilang mga products gusto nako. Gwapo ilang Spanish latte, ang ilahang Belgian chocolate, naa sila kompleto. This one, kompleto sila produkto. Naa sila pasta and cake. This one. So guys, sa tanan taga Davao, not only in Davao, outside Davao City, please come and visit Palpitit Coffee. This is